Hello everybody, my name is Airdas Kirstukas, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make free logo for your website. So let's begin. As you can see, I'm now on Free Logo Design website, and you can create your free logo here in just few minutes. So for this example, let's enter your business name. In this scenario, I'm gonna type my name and press get started. And then you have an option which industry you wanna create for. For this example, I'm gonna pick education, and then you have available options. It's quite few. I'm gonna pick this one, simple one. Then you have a design area. You can move things around. You can make it bigger, smaller, those like icons. I don't really this one like, so I'm just gonna delete. So just my name basically become, and then I can add shape. Then you can scroll and search whatever you like if you see anything. If you found, you just pick and then resize by your means. And then add text if you want. If you're gonna go here, you can type WordPress and then you can select the font size. And it's nice as you can straight away preview in the display what's gonna happen. Let's say like this one. It's not the best logo maybe, but when you finish, you just press the download button. And then you have an option free 200 pixels by 200. If you want a bigger one, then you need to pay. If you're gonna press download, then you need to enter your name and email address and download my logo. When you download, you can open and preview. And as you can see, if I'm gonna enlarge, you can see the logo. It's quite small, but it's perfectly suitable for the website. I'm gonna switch it off and going back to edit logo. If I would select my name in this example, and if you wanna, you can pick color white. Just beware you badly seeing anything. And if I'm gonna save, then you can basically store in this website, but I don't want to save in this. I just want to press download, and I press download. And because you already registered it once, you don't need to again register. And now I open again, and this time you can see the white one. So this for the black backgrounds and previous one for the white background. I would love to hear what you think about the content. Just drop the comment below and share your thoughts. If you get any benefits, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye bye. To the next time.